set that aside again. All right, now what? Let's go to these guys. And I don't think I want to use wet glue. What do I want to use? Because I think the wet glue, maybe some of this. Let's see. I'm afraid the wet glue will just go through and make it goopy, and that won't be so good. Maybe some double-sided. I don't know if this is going to be strong enough. Let's try it though. So I found, I think it was on eBay, a lady, that's where I got these pieces, who lives in India, and she has an eBay store, and that, and then all the other little remnants, I think, I'm pretty sure the majority of them, and I can't remember the name of the store. I'll have to see if I can find it. But it was not a bad deal. So if I can find it, because it's been a while, I've been hoarding the boho stuff for a while now. Oh, you know what? I might have the bag it came in. Yeah, so I'll see if I can link the information below if you're interested. If I can't find it, More Fabrics on Etsy, she occasionally carries, or excuse me, has boho style fabric in her Etsy shop also. All right. Should I rip? Yeah, I think I should rip. Since I've been ripping already all the other stuff, I probably should. Why didn't I rip before, you think? I don't know. Because then look, my tape. Oh goodness, Kara. Oh well. There. Okay. Let's do one more piece at the bottom. It doesn't want to stick to the wallpaper. There we go. Okay. Now, where does it want to live? In the journal. No. Maybe. Nope. That looks good. I like it. I like that. Okay, so this we're going to glue on. And then now it can be a tuck spot. There we go. Perfect. Let's see. What can we tuck in there? That works for now, but we need something bigger. Look at this one. There we go. Well, this one. Here it is. That's the winner. All right. Let's make the peacock. Loosen my lid to my glue. All right. I just realized I'm really talking quietly. Sorry. I need to speak up. Okay. Let's add some tape to this. There we go, and a little at the bottom. Peacock is so cute. Super, super cute. Oh, come on now. And let's add something to, yep, let's do that. I love this because this little piece of lace has a sticker, like sticky on the back. Makes it really convenient. And ink it up a little bit. And there we go. Now, I think I want this one in the first signature. Where to go? No. No. Maybe. Maybe. No. Maybe. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. This is it. Oh man, that's pretty goopy. There we go. Tame that down just a smidgen. Okay, now what shall we tuck? What? I don't know yet. I don't know if we have anything just yet, so we'll just leave that one for now. Okay. While we have the journal out, let's figure these girls out. That'd be cute. I want to like that in the middle. I think so, huh? This would have been cute if I would have stitched her on prior to putting her in the journal. Or like that. Or like that. Or make her a pocket. Yep, that's what we're going to do. We're going to trim this off. And make her a pocket. And there we go. That looks cute. if I do say so myself. Do we leave that a little bit a little uneven, or do we trim her off? Oh, I want to trim it. There. Ta-da! I might need a button right in there. There's an animal trying to get in. Not sure which animal. Maybe it's the cat. I thought both dogs were in here with me. Yeah, it gives it a little extra dimension. That's fun. And then, let's see, do we have one? Nope. We need to make something to go here. No, that's too similar. All right, so we have several tags to make. All right, let's look for her. Let's go back to the front. Should be kind of cool there, but it's too close to the front of the book. Maybe there. I like that page. Does this and that kind of pop? Or there? Maybe there, huh? That one's kind of fun. Alright, I'm doing this one. And we'll make her a pocket too. That thread didn't want to come off. Okay, so I think once we get these pockets in, I think what we need to do, and the next step is make some big tags. And I think we'll use our scraps for the tags. Yeah. I like that one too. All right, what else do we have? A couple more. Let's add, we'll do these 3. Oh, and I'll make envelopes later. Because I feel like we've been hanging out for a long time. Alright, that looks good. I might come back later and add something to give this dimension, some lace or something. But for now, I'm gonna just, I guess we'll go up here too. Sorry, I'm off camera. I think for now, I'm just gonna stick this one in. Like that. There we go. Okay. And let's see, where are these girls gonna go? No. Yeah, that looks good. Hi. Yes. Hug. Sorry. Oh, careful, you're stepping on dogs. You feeling okay?
Yeah.
Goodness. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm gonna just glue these in. And then I'll be right there, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
Can you actually...
Oh, thanks, bud. Alright, so there's a tuck spot right there. Yeah, we have all had the crummies, man. It just, won't. They won't leave us alone. Oh, that's fun. Maybe on the other. Where's the other side? Yeah, like that. Okay. All right. Oh, and he didn't shut the door, so now you're probably hearing video game noises. Oh my goodness. You know what? I think I'm gonna glue that down. All right, I think it's time for lunch around these parts. So, I'm gonna let these parts dry, and next up we will do some tags. She might look fun in here. Yeah, I like that. Not sure her home. It'd be fun in a pocket like that. We're getting there. We are almost, I don't know, maybe. She's like peeking out. Hello, hello. I don't know about her right there. I don't know about that either. Okay, for now we'll put her there. Okay, so we will come back. We have several tags, at least 1, 2, 3. Something should go here. Maybe this. There we go. And this can go here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, and stuff and goodies can go in here. So we need 10 tags. Holy moly. All right, but that's not so bad. Look how fun it is. It's looking good. Okay, off to eat and have a happy crafty day. I'll be back. Hopefully I wasn't too mellow today. Sometimes I'm mellow when I'm crafting, other times I'm nuts. Okay, oh wow, yes, this might be a two-parter. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.